back to my channel, and yes, I'm Bevvy. Welcome back again to my new video. So, for today's video, we're gonna react on this Japanese boy band named Sixtones or Stones, because I have been reading comments about that the correct pronunciation of their group name is Stones. So let me know in the comments below, because I'm not really familiar, so pardon me if I pronounced the name wrong. Sixtones or Stones, and they are part of the Johnny and Associates group of boy bands, pop idols in Japan, in line with Arashi, Kiss My Foot, Kiss My Foot Too, Cartoon, Hey Say Jump, Sexy Zone, and among others. So this is my first time reacting to this group, but I already know them since I watched this YouTube concert in Japanese and Associates YouTube channel. I forgot the Happy Live with You concert. Yes, they included almost, am I correct? All of the Johnny and Associates groups on that series of concerts. So I already know the Sixtones or Stones, and the video that we're going to react on is from their YouTube channel, of course, with the same name of the band. It's entitled Sixtones or Stones at YouTube Fanfest 2020 Imitation Rain / Japonicastyle or Japonicastyle, correct me, and New Era. So I think these are the title of the songs that they performed in YouTube Fanfest. Actually, I would like to watch the YouTube Fanfest before, but the program is so long that I cannot be able to watch them all. So, and I don't have the luxury of time to watch the entire YouTube Fanfest. So I'm glad that they have their own version of it, or they have their own copy of the performances that they did in the event. So yes, that's it. Let's begin. But before that, of course, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications bell so you would be updated on my videos. So, Sixtones or Stone fans, yay! Let's get started. 3, 2, 1, go!
Imitation. You said I will be this girl, you will be the sun to shine.
I like the instrumental. I like the effects of the rain on it. Ooh, that's break. I like this build up of rain. I think they also performed this in Happy Live concerts, if I'm not mistaken. Please correct me if I'm wrong. It's Japonica. Ooh. I like that traditional instrument in the background. I like that sound. That chorus. I'm loving this. I'm enjoying this music. Well done. that performance. Okay. I'm happy that I was able to watch that. And you know, reacting on J-pop music always makes my heart flatter and happy. There is a distinct sound in J-pop that is really outstanding. It's like incomparable as for me. As for me. And from the 3 songs, what I like best is the Japonica style because it has traditional instruments on the background that makes it really unique and really unique and has distinct sound. So I really love that song, but of course the other 2 songs, the Imitation, Rain, and the New Era, are also beautiful songs, and I like that they have their own style in choreography. So you know, it's quite a challenge in boy band, especially if they are all from the Johnny and Associates. And what I love about the Johnny and Associates boy band is that they have their own identity. So it helps them to differentiate the one group from another. So you know, I can able to differentiate or distinguish the differences between Sixtones, Stones, or from Kiss My Feet. Kiss My Foot too. Oh my god. Please let me know in the comments what is the correct pronunciation of Kiss My Foot too. Is that correct? Because that is just what I heard in the concert from the concerts that they did in the past. So please let me know. Yeah, their names are quite unique as well, because sometimes you think that you are already pronouncing the names correctly, but to your surprise, oh, I'm not pronouncing it correctly. So yeah. Yeah, their names are quite unique. They have the distinct sound. They have their own style. So the vocal, of course, are on point as well. Of course, you cannot expect like that. You have to do that high notes or something like that. But you know what's important is that you can able to deliver the song properly. So yes. What else? Yeah, and I cannot able to see the members' visuals, but as far as I can remember in the Happy Life with You concert by Johnny and Associates, I think they are quite good looking as well. So yes, and I hope you can introduce me as well to those members that I noticed because of their visuals. Sorry, of course I can be which can't be helped. But yes, that's from this video. And thank you so much for watching the video with me and watching my reaction about it. So I would like try to do more reactions on, of course, J-pop, boy bands, and other idol groups. So please let me know your recommendations. And of course, if you have other video recommendations for Sixtones or Stones, please also let me know in the comments below, and I will try find my way to do reactions about them. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much again. Bye bye.